Apple Watch 11 setup failed. Here's the step-by-step fix. Open Apple support in your browser. Search for Apple Watch setup failed. Apple explains that setup failures usually happen due to software issues, network interruptions, or corrupted initial setup attempt. Scroll to the troubleshooting section. Apple recommends making sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is on. Both iPhone and Apple Watch are updated to the latest software. Devices are close together during setup. If setup fails, Apple advises restarting both devices. Scroll to the Advanced Fixes section. Apple states that if setup still fails, erase the Apple Watch and start the setup again using the Watch app. Choose Setup as new Apple Watch or Restore from backup when prompted. Following these steps resolve most Apple Watch 11 setup failures.